In this SolBlaze airdrop tutorial, I'm going to be explaining to you how you can earn over $2,000 in Blaze token by simply farming the SolBlaze airdrop. So let us get right into the video. First and foremost, what exactly is staking? So staking is when, for example, every time there's a new transaction that is submitted to the Solana network, validators must vote on the validity of the transaction. And the reason for that is to prevent people attacking the network, because all the Solana in the single pool will make it really expensive for them to try and attack it. Okay, guys, but there is some downsides to this. For example, because your Sol generally will get locked up for 2 to 3 days, and you have to actively monitor validators to ensure they vote properly. And that is where liquid staking comes in, and this is what SolBlaze is a platform for liquid staking. So liquid staking essentially allows you to get an LST, which is a liquid stake token, in exchange for your staked Solana. So when you stake your Solana, you will be getting BSOL in return. So let's say I am staking 9.7 Solana, I will get 8.8 Solana B Solana, which is Blaze staked Solana, in return. And the reason for that is because 1 BSOL is equivalent to 1.1021 BSOL. So not only will I be getting a return on my staked Solana, which is automatically staked across 200 high quality validators, I will also be receiving these BSOL tokens, which I can then use on MarginFi or Camino Finance to get a return on those two. And then I will have obviously more BSOL, which I can then transfer back into Solana and get more Solana. So I'm obviously making enormous amounts of money. So the first thing that you guys need to do in this tutorial is go to stake.solblaze.org. The link is in the description below, and if you use my referral link, you will get a bonus in BSOL to start off. So guys, what you're going to do is, once you go on this website, you're going to click on the staking, and then you are simply going to put the amount of Solana in. So let's start with 0.5 for example, and press stake. Once you do that, it's very simple. It is going to come up and show up here. You're going to get 0.45 BSOL back, and you simply confirm. But I've already transferred some over, so I'm going to press cancel. Okay, guys. So once you get your BSOL, you can do anything you want with it. And whenever you want, you can also unstake and pull out your Solana back. Like you can see over here, I can pull out Solana, unstake it instantly, or unstake it delayed. And if I do an unstake delayed, I will have less fees that I will have to pay for pulling out, and it's a small fee, 0.1%, but it is still a fee. Anyway, once you've staked and you've got your BSOL, as you can see in my wallet, I've received my BSOL over here, Blaze stake. What you're going to do is you're going to go onto MarginFi or Camino Finance. Now on MarginFi, we can see that we will be getting a 4% return on our blazed stake. Okay, guys, so all you're going to do is look at your MarginFi wallet, and here is my MarginFi wallet, and I'm going to copy the address and I'm going to send over the Blaze stake into that wallet. So let's go on Phantom and let's click on our Blaze stake, and let's send it over to our MarginFi address. Okay, and let's click on max, send over the maximum amount, press next and send. Okay, guys, and once that is done, we are good to go on MarginFi, and we are good to start staking our BSOL. So guys, let's wait for that transaction, and when it's done, there will be a number for the wallet amount showing up over here. Let's quickly refresh the page and then scroll down all the way to BSOL again. Okay, when that eventually loads, okay, so we can see BSOL with 0.45 in our wallets. Okay, so let's press supply, click on max so we can supply our maximum amount, and then press supply. Oh, and of course we don't have enough Solana for the fee, so what we're going to do is press max and then press 0.44. okay, 0.44, and then we're going to press supply over here. All right, and there's a question mark there because we're nearly at capacity, but there's no issue with that because we are. And also you have to remember that MarginFi is also an airdrop, so let's do even lower so we don't have to pay the fee. Amplify is also an airdrop. So by staking your BSOL on here, you are also earning Solana, and you are also earning SolBlaze for your airdrop, and at the same time you are also earning the MarginFi airdrop. And the same goes for Camino Finance, because they are all different airdrops. So by staking your BSOL in here, you are simply earning on all the different accounts. Oh, as you can see, I don't have enough Solana in this wallet because I only have 75 cents. So what I'm gonna have to do is send a little bit of Solana into that wallet as well. So let's go back here and send some Solana for the fees into that wallet. So let's click that, press send into that wallet again. Let's press 0.05 Solana into there. Okay, and once we've sent it, we are done, and that will be in there very shortly, and we will be able to see it in here. Okay, so we can see over here there should be some more Solana now for the fees. Yeah, it's now 0.6 Solana, and that includes the Blaze Solana. So now we have the money for the fees as well, and we're simply going to go down again all the way into BSOL and begin to stake that. And then once we've staked that, we will be building up MarginFi airdrop, and we will also be building up the airdrop for SolBlaze. Okay, so let's click on max, let's supply, and that should be good to go. As you can see, creating account as well, depositing BSOL, and we will be getting a return on Solana, on our Blaze Solana as well, and also earning 2 different airdrops simultaneously. Okay guys, so that is that, and we are starting to earn. If you want also a bonus on MarginFi, sign up using my referral code again at the bottom, and you will be able to get further returns and a further bonus to kickstart your airdropping on SolBlaze and MarginFi. Another thing is, once you start staking, you can also go onto Blaze rewards, and every few weeks you will be airdropped some Blaze, and you will be earning a higher score on SolBlaze, and you will be getting that by simply inviting people, for example, by staking and doing transactions, staking, etc., lending on the networks. So that is my tutorial. Thank you for watching. This is me signing off.